Welcome back to part 3. Got to drill a hole in the middle of one of these pieces of alley and split it into two because they're a bit thick. These are going to be the mounting point for the wheels. Might be the front, might be the back. These are just discs that I made to check alignment of everything. But yeah, I actually need to weld in a section to each of the wheels so that they've got a 3-bolt fitting. So, just drilling a hole through this. Cutting a slot in the middle to make it into 2 sections. So now we've got 4 pieces. The idea behind this is I'm going to weld these into the wheels and then do a finish cut for the bore and the face to make sure they're concentric with the axles. So next thing I need to do is give these wheels a bit of a clean up. So this is a bit further on with the wheels. Decided not to weld the centre into these because these are anodised. So I've just bolted them with some M6 bolts, which will should make them look quite good as well. And then I've welded in the bosses to these and welded them on the back. So I need to now bore all the centres and drill the 3 holes. I might have to counterbore them because these are quite thick, so the studs will fit through, and then we can paint them, put some tyres on and get them on the cart. So this is just boring the welded flange and facing it off. This is the facing cut. Boring cut. Let's put the boring tool a long way out of the tool post, just because it's got a long reach into the wheel. See how far out the boring bar is to get this far into the back of the wheel. So this is after they've been drilled. Ended up drilling them just with the pattern that I'd made previously for the studs. Just giving them a bit of a clean up, and I'm just going to give them a coat of paint. See how they look. That is about it for another week. Got the wheels on, painted. Tyres were slightly difficult to get on. I've realised that I've not really got enough steering movement, so I've got one of these steering racks from Amazon. I think it's about 89 no, 60 quid. Comes with a steering wheel boss and some bits and pieces, track rod ends, steering column. Don't know what I'll use from that. And also I've got a quick release steering wheel boss because it's going to be quite difficult getting them out of. Lots of rivets. I've got some box section, stainless steel, I think it's 15mm square up there. So I'll start taking the old bodywork off, and I've also got some aluminium sheet, so I can start making the bodywork. I suppose I'll make the bodywork and then try and see where I need access to the engine, and go from there. That is about it for this week.